Welcome back. In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Krisp AI noise cancellation not working. If Krisp isn't removing background noise, your calls still include unwanted sounds, or the noise cancellation feature seems disabled, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple solutions to restore Krisp AI's noise cancellation. Let's get started. First, open the Krisp AI application and make sure asterisk noise cancellation is turned on. Sometimes the feature may be disabled accidentally after an update or a settings change. Enable it and confirm that it's active before joining your call. Next, verify that the correct microphone and speaker are selected inside Krisp AI. If the wrong audio devices are chosen, Krisp won't be able to process your voice or remove background noise correctly. Now open your communication app, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or Discord. In the audio settings, select asterisk Krisp microphone as your input device, and if needed, asterisk Krisp speaker asterisk as your output device. Using the wrong audio device is one of the most common reasons noise cancellation doesn't work. If your meeting app has its own built-in noise suppression feature, try disabling it. Running two different noise cancellation systems at the same time can reduce audio quality or prevent Krisp from working as expected. You should also update Krisp AI to the latest version. Software updates often include bug fixes, improved compatibility, and better audio processing. After updating, restart both Krisp AI and your communication app. If the issue continues, disconnect and reconnect your microphone or headset, then restart your computer. This refreshes your audio drivers and may resolve temporary hardware conflicts. As a final step, reinstall Krisp AI if nothing else works. A clean installation can fix corrupted settings or damaged program files that may be affecting noise cancellation. And that's how to fix Krisp AI noise cancellation not working.